I really like a 7x5 closure with leave out. It just gives like the vibes.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slide.
Hello loves, my name is Winnie G. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair. They sent me this wear and go wig. I wore it and gone with it to Houston. I will show you guys here and here. Ate it up. I ate it up. I ate that wig up, okay? I actually filmed a tutorial when I first installed it, but I lost the footage somehow. I don't even want to talk about it. So I'm gonna reinstall her today. I actually already went ahead and washed her, let her air dry, and then I went in with my pressing comb and just pressed her back into a middle part so she can give what she gave right out of the box. So this is the hair right out of the box, and this is the hair after I washed it, air dried it, and pressed out the roots so we can prep it for our new install. Into the hair tutorial. Okay, so this is the inside of the wig. It has the space for an adjustable band, a comb in the back, and it's that like smooth dome cap type of vibe. It doesn't have like the little ear tab additional piece down here. It's one of those like smoother units, very stretchy. It comes with an adjustable band as well. I just went ahead and popped that in there for a little extra security. All right, this is the closure right out of the bag. I want to install it like here. Now I need to clean it up because she leaning to the left like tweet, child. But that's okay. That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem. I used to really like the wax stick, but lately I've been liking going in with hairspray instead. It leaves the hair to feeling a lot less heavy, and I still get the hold that I'm looking for.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Okay, so everything is nice and pressed out. Now we can get into the actual install. So I'm going to just comb the hair back so I can really see what is happening with the lace. Okay, so I put the wig exactly where I want to lay it, and then I took out any like of my hair that sat in front of that line so that we can get that like perfectly seamless look, but it's gonna all make sense, just trust me. So I was gonna use the wrong spray. I'm gonna go in with my black even spray onto a card, and I'm gonna use a small makeup brush, dip into that, and then put it right on top of the lace. Once we have everything laid exactly how we want it, we applied our spray everywhere. I just went ahead and put my elastic band back on, and now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of powder and clean up this part. So I'm using my Maybelline Superstay powder on a thin like angled brush, and this is a skin tone powder, like the same color as my skin tone. I'm just taking this right down the part and kind of hiding that line of demarcation. When I first installed it, I didn't cut that much off. Thank God, because now I gotta re-show y'all what I did. So I'm essentially just gonna do the exact same thing I did when I first installed it to show you exactly how I got it like I had it in the beginning videos. But we're gonna clean it up and make it a little better. So we got our bottom layer cut, and now I'm just gonna part from the back of the part straight down to just like at my ear, and this is where we're gonna add even more layers. So I'm just going to brush the hair all together until we kind of have it at an angle like this, and then I'm just gonna cut at an angle. Okay, the layers are perfect. Let's go ahead and straighten the hair. I feel like once you straighten this hair, it really comes to life. This is the hair air dried, and I feel like it's given very like just wash my hair after getting a fresh relaxer, but once you straighten it, it's given silky press, and I just love it. It looks so good and super full. It's one of my favorite hair textures. Okay, so I have everything straightened. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this John Frieda Frizz Ease serum, just a little tinctures. I really like a 7x5 closure with leave out. It just gives like the vibes. So to finish up the styling, I'm gonna part the hair down the middle and we're gonna just bump the ends. Not a James Brown bump, an Aaliyah bump. Super cute. One second, let me get some pictures for the thumbnail. Okay, so this is the finished first look. The middle part with all of the layers looks great. It looks like a hair book from the early 2000s, like we used to go to the black hair salons and they would have like the hairspray books, like the layers would be given this. Very much so given. Okay. Now, I also wore this hair a lot in a deep side part, and I want to just show you guys both really quick. Because if I didn't, I would be doing y'all a disservice, because I'm not gonna lie, I think the side part was actually my favorite. The middle part ate, but the side part just did something. So first I'm gonna go in and figure out exactly where I want my part. Okay, that is pretty perfect. So I'm going to clip this hair on this side, and then I'm gonna just start to press this hair going the other way. So I'm just gonna take it section by section, comb it over, spray a little hairspray, and then press it into place.
Won't you pick me up at the park right now, up the block while everyone sleeps? I'll be waiting there with my trench, my looks, my hat, just so I'm...
Okay, so this is the finished look for the side part. Get into it. Left out my little sideburn so I can get very much ear tuck energy. Swooped her over. You could leave her out if you want. I prefer the swooped look. This just gives me very much the black girl from Rugrats, but also not mad at it. If I was gonna do a swoop, I would do it shorter. That would be a really cute hairstyle. I actually might do that next, like a really cute, like short bang swoop situation. Let me know if y'all wanna see it. So much room for activities. You can make the swoop bigger as well if you wanted to go for like a dramatic, like over the eye swoop situation, or you could swoop it to your heart's desires. I just wanted to go for something kind of chill. I still want you to be able to see my eyebrows. Some real soft and supple. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check her out. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes. What was this? I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Are we switching it up? Is it a new era? Not today.
Nadula.